humanity's frontier is expanding again. In the next 10 years, 5 emerging space technologies will completely redefine how and where we live. From nuclear engines that can reach Mars in weeks to solar farms that beam power from orbit, this is the decade space gets serious. This is Neural News, the future decoded. Number 5, nuclear propulsion engines. For nearly a century, rockets relied on chemical fuel, but nuclear thermal propulsion could cut Mars travel from 7 months to just 6 weeks. NASA and DARPA's Draco project plans an orbital demo by 2027, a test that could ignite a new space race. Instead of burning tons of fuel for every second of thrust, these engines heat hydrogen through a compact reactor, pushing spacecraft faster and farther than ever before. For deep space travel, nuclear is no longer fiction. It's the only path fast enough. Number 4, private moon infrastructure. The moon is becoming open territory. Private companies like SpaceX, Astrobotic, and Intuitive Machines aren't just visiting. They're building. Lunar cargo drops, autonomous rovers, and modular habitats are forming the blueprint for permanent human presence. SpaceX's Starship will soon deliver multi-ton payloads directly to the lunar surface, while robotic missions are mapping water ice deposits that could fuel future rockets. For the first time, the moon is not a destination, it's a construction site. Number 3, space-based solar power. Imagine satellites capturing sunlight 24 hours a day and beaming it directly to Earth. Space-based solar power could deliver limitless clean energy, free from clouds or night. Giant orbital panels would collect sunlight and convert it into microwaves or lasers, then transmit that energy to receiving stations on Earth. The UK's Space Energy Initiative and Japan's JAXA plan orbital tests before 2030. If it works, our cities could be powered by a constant stream of sunlight from orbit. The sun never sets in space, and soon our cities might never sleep. Number 2, AI-driven Mars habitats. When humans reach Mars, they won't be alone. Artificial intelligence will manage everything from radiation shielding to crop cycles. NASA's Habitat AI project and startups like Icon are developing autonomous systems to build and maintain outposts before the first crew arrives. Picture this. Fleets of robots 3D printing shelters from Martian soil, laying out solar panels and calibrating life support systems long before any astronaut steps foot there. AI will oversee agriculture, repair systems, and monitor human health, turning survival into sustainability. Before we inhabit Mars, machines will teach it how to support life. Number 1, quantum communication satellites. The next space race isn't for territory, it's for trust. Quantum communication promises unhackable links across space. By using entangled photons, data can be transmitted with zero risk of interception. China's Mitius satellite proved it's possible. Now, the United States and Europe are racing to build quantum constellations to secure everything from spacecraft telemetry to the global internet. These systems could become the backbone of an interplanetary network, protecting our most critical data as humanity expands beyond Earth. In an era of cyber warfare, quantum encryption could be the ultimate shield. So what does the decade ahead look like? Nuclear engines will make deep space reachable. Private lunar builders will anchor humanity to the moon. Solar satellites will send energy to Earth day and night. AI will construct homes on Mars before we ever arrive. And quantum satellites will connect every world we touch. Together they form a roadmap, not just for exploration, but for civilization itself. In 2035, our footprint won't just be on Earth, it'll orbit, power, and protect it. The boundaries of science and imagination are dissolving, and the future is being built one breakthrough at a time. Which of these technologies will define your future? This is Neural News. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve before it curves around the moon.